Hey Chad, this is Ellen. This is your weekly banjo review. Today I'm going to go over the song that we started learning today, Cripple Creek. I'll talk a little bit about how to read tab as well, which is that notation system that I sent you in the email. So we'll start off with reading tab. Reading tab is pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Basically, you're going to have an x-axis and a y-axis. So those lines that are stacked up horizontally represent your strings. This is the part that's a little bit confusing. String 1, which for us is down here closest to the ground, is actually going to be the top line on your tab paper. Don't ask me why they did it. Basically, for some reason they thought it made sense to think of looking at our banjo like this. So if we're looking at our banjo like this facing us, that bottom string would be on the top. However, when we're looking down at it, that string is down here. So it's not super helpful initially until you get the hang of it. So hopefully this video will help you with that. But just in case you want to keep working with that tab and you need a little help with it, this bottom string is going to be what's written as string 1 on your tab. Your next string, what we call string 2, is going to be that second line down. Third string will be in the middle. Fourth string will be getting close to the bottom, and that fifth string will represent the bottom line on that set of lines on your paper. So I know that's a little bit confusing. We can go over it next week. If we have more time, I would have gone over it today, but we just ran out. But that's fine, because we're going to use this video to help too. So, Cripple Creek A part. We're going to start on our 5th fret on our first string. We're going to do 2 of those. So 5, 5. Then we're going to go down to our 2nd fret here. Same string, still on string 1. Then we're going to do an open string. So put together that first little chunk. One more time, I'll do that again. 1, 2, play along if you can. Okay. Our next part is that little kind of triangle shaped thing you got going on here where we're going to jump between strings. So we've got our 1st fret on our 2nd string, our 2nd fret on our 1st string, and an open fret on our 1st string. Put that together. 1, 2, open. Give that a try with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, open. Okay, so if we chunk together the first part we've done, you'll get this. One more time. This is the first chunk. Only thing left to do is answer the question. So we're going to go down to our 2nd string here. No fingers. We're going to do 2 notes on that string. Then we're going to go to our 3rd string on the 2nd fret and an open string on the 3rd string. So put that together, starting on our 2nd string. Open, open, switch strings, 2, open. And one more time, see if you can play along with that. And then the last part of this phrase is going to come up on our string 4, our lowest string that we use. It's not our drone string. We're going to go open, 2. Then we're going to switch strings to our 3rd string again. Play that one open as well. So putting that part together. One more time. 1, 2, ready, and go. Okay, so if we chunk this second half together, starting on the part that's on our open 2nd string. Let's give that a try together. Ready? And open, open, 2, open, open, 2, open. Alright, so now if we put that whole big thing together, you get your A part for Cripple Creek. Should sound like this. And one more time. Try playing along with me this time if you haven't already. 1, 2, ready, and go. Alright, and there you have it. First part of Cripple Creek. Happy practicing, and I'll see you next week.